All right, so we're at this the clean out house with where I got the Nintendo, dropping the guys off a case of beer. I asked them what they wanted, money or beer. So this is the second 30 pack I brought them, and they got some more metal. I'm gonna go get one more load. Looks like coffee almost, doesn't it? Must be some type of rhododendron. But we'll see where they're at, and I'll get back to you once we get into the garage. Yo! There you are. Bum, bum, bum. These chairs, I could take those if you want.
Good.
I know there's more in the thing here. There's a microwave, 2 chairs. This thing you want, or?
No, take it.
Okay.
Michael, sure.
Yeah, I'll take that. All right. Pretty gross house, though. It actually might work for a step down. Let's see. I'll move it over just a hair. All right. I'm gonna grab that microwave and AC. Is there any? I don't really want to go back down there. Did that work or no?
I don't know.
Okay. That's all gross paper. So this is what I found. It's pretty gross in there right now. These are really gross, but once you take them out of the container, they're not moldy. They're all different Corvettes, and once they're cleaned up, they're gonna look pretty cool. As long as the screws aren't rusted. We got 1, 2. It's like a whole series. 3. 4. 5. 6. There's the first one with screws messed up. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. I think there might be one more. 1,000,000th Corvette. And, oh, 2 more. Definitely had to do this outside. It's pretty gross. That one's kind of, it's like a green, but it's kind of gross. The gold one's nice. I don't know. I still think these are going to sell fairly well at the market. I'll let somebody else clean them up. But it's got to be a $20 pile. There was this guy. Give that to Naz, and I found one game. So I'm gonna stick the rest of my time in the garage. I figured this was sellable too. Anytime I get these old oil cans, they seem to sell pretty well. Oh yeah, there was this metal little sign. But got some scrap also on the porch, a microwave, AC, and something else. We'll see what else I find. I don't know if there's gonna be too much else. All right. So I just picked this up from inside the house. They cut it and just threw it in a pile, but I think that is definitely $50 to $100 bill. So probably the best thing I found today. I don't know, maybe I'll go rescue that guy from the backyard, but I'm sure that's where he'd rather be than driving around in my truck. But got a little bit more metal, and I'm gonna go empty this and pick up a load for the market. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. I'm sorry, oh wait, I still have the bike in those racks. All right, well, not thank you yet. I'll I don't know. There's an AC over here. I'm gonna try to pull it. It's gotta weigh 100 pounds. Yo, I got it. He has one piece of gold. What do I do with mine? He found a 10 carat chain. Nice and long. No good, I bring it back with the green. It's cool. Thank you, man.
Right.
But I paid him $100. I'm gonna go try to, move this. Don't know if it's gonna work. I think after this, I'm out. Oh, the lawnmower.
What?
The lawnmower inside. Are you tossing that or are you keeping?
The red one?
Yeah. This thing, behind the box.
You want it?
I think so. I don't think it works, but I don't know if we need to open the garage. There's no way to get it out the back door. Does the garage not work at all?
I don't know. I'm gonna check it.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That would have been a lot easier last time.
Water?
Oh, water? Yeah, please. Last time, oh man, I was so hot last time, I almost died. Yo, can I give you my telephone for if you find anything else?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Little mower. For YouTube?
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is
The name?
Yeah, the name.
Blue Bus Dave.
Blue Bus?
Yeah, Dave. This is gonna be heavy. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. This is, look. So this is the easiest way. And then. One second. All right.
Right there.
That's good. Whew. It's heavy. I think that tire's shot. Maybe I better go right to the scrapyard. I don't know. You know what I say. All right. Yo, thank you. You guys have a good day. You have my number. Call me.
Okay.
Thank you. My water. Definitely need that. I just look to see if there's any other scrap. There's a rocking chair. All right. Thank you again. I don't know. Figure we got $10, $15, $20. Probably another $30. So I'm gonna go run home, see if there's any scrap there, take off that chandelier and the other thing so we don't screw it up. All right, so this is what I got from that load. I'm gonna junk this, even though it's worth some money, just because the tires are bad and I don't see me ever fixing it or putting it at an auction right now, and it's just in the way. I got an AC to take apart, real heavy one, and stuff I got for sale for the market is I got this bike. I really like the light. It's battery operated. I got this dryer fan and the chandelier. It's definitely, I think, very sellable at Lambertville. Got this cart. I love the hubcaps on it. Very 60s. And then I got the Corvettes and the can of oil. So it's between the video game and the chandelier for what's worth the most money. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna put this stuff away. It's gonna rain, so I'm gonna go back to the scrapyard. Should be 30-40 bucks on the truck. All right, peace. So with all the metal that was left on the truck, we did 48 bucks. Wasn't bad. Like they did a load earlier that was on a different video the same day, and it was 72. So hey, all right, I'll catch everybody later. Thank you. Peace.